Good morning everyone, welcome to Potty's Ventures. Can't believe it, it's raining on and off. It's in November and we're bloody raining. You know, you got 46 in Queensland having a heat wave and I'm wearing a jumper. It's 15 degrees for today. How the hell does that work? But yeah, this is the sky. Just had a bit of rain. Bit of blue there, but it's going to be on and off. No. Bummer. It's all wet in here, look at this. It's terrible. I'm thinking maybe of making the box at the back here. So I'll just cut it out, put it in place, because I obviously need to do that. So because I'm undercover, I might be able to do it now. So I'll just do a start on that. I've just cut a template out just with the plastic, just because it goes like a different shape. It's just a roughness, but when I put it onto the plywood now, I'm just going to make it quite neat, and then I'm just going to cut it out. Once I've done that, I'll show you how it will go to the roof of the cab. So I've just outlined the template onto the board, just with a pencil, just knead it up a bit. I'll cut this out and I'll put it in place to see if it fits. Just in place like that. Oop. Malachi, what's going on, buddy? Hey? The wife doesn't want to be a potty adventure. She doesn't want to get looked at. So you know how I've mentioned before, when it's wet or the hull is wet and you're trying to sand it, look what happens. It clogs up. Now that, it's hard to get off unless you scratch it. But that just goes to show that you can't do it in the wet like this. It has to be completely dry. This side was the worst side. Just got to bog this little bit here, but because I had a fair bit of air bubbles, and that day it's kind of made a little bit inconsistent. So what I've done is they look like that. So I've just cut them out, just with a little Dremel. All right, there's just a little bit of them on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to patch them with fibreglass, just there. Once that is dry, and then I'll just sand it again. Really windy, but just so you can see, I've cleaned that all up because that was the overlap of that fiberglass. So I've just cut all that out now. I'm gonna be cutting this edge because that needs to go straight onto that timber there. So I'll be using the circular saw just to cut that out. Same thing done on the other side. Alright. So I'm just going to clean all this up. That side's pretty good. I just got to cut that screw. Sand all that now.
Ever die when the world is calling you? Can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die. They become a part of you.
Oh, look at Malachi. It's like winter, eh? Terrible. It's the first day of summer tomorrow. It's probably going to be like this again. Got your beanie on, eh? Hey, buddy. Hey, give me a smile. Actually, don't give me a smile. Give YouTube a smile. Blah, 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 blah. Blah. Oh, slobber. Patch this quickly.
You know how you say on the phone that you miss me?
Yeah.
So that's a
No, it's
lot.
not.
It is.
No,
People
it's...
who miss people want to spend time with them.
Yeah. Hey? Do I want a coffee?
Yeah.
Yes, please, baby.
Yeah, punch him in the head.
I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. So I've patched now those areas what I cut out. Well, patched fiberglass and bogged on the top. Body filler. That just needs now a good light sand around the edges. It'll be done, ready for paint. Sanded this now. That just needs a light bog put on. Same here. There's the where the boxes are going to go. It's the side, both sides. I just ran out of wood, so I need to have a bottom for here, and I can cut this out to put one of those plastic hatches in. I will be just fiberglassing in here, this strip, that join here, that middle beam, along the back here, just with some woven, a light woven. All this is now pretty much sanded. I just gotta do it in here and then fix that little bit at the end, and just some spots here. Try and zoom in. So just gotta go over that. Same up the top there. So that's pretty much flat. This one is the best side. I just did a bit of body filler up the top here. There was just a little bit of divots. But look at that, that's like really flat. To get a coat of the drill up primer on it, 100 times better. Another day done for the Potty's Adventures. Pretty happy with today. From about 2 o'clock it started to clear up a bit. I managed to just pretty much hit the hard sanding just then, and yeah, got the belt sander on it. There's not much left. It's just that little bits that I showed you before, and then once that's done, I think, yeah, we can take it down to the paint shop. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, comment, like the channel, thumbs up, thumbs down, anything. Cheers, have a good one.